Dear, here you can see just on the board. This is the exercise 7.4 and question number 5 of this exercise. Question 5 says that fill appropriate sign out of greater, equal and less in the given box. Very quickly. So how can you fill the sign out of these three using some tricks? Okay, so see here, this is a fraction 1 by 2 and this one is fraction 1 by 5. So you cross multiply numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. What you will get? 1 into 5 here, how much? 5 and 2 into 1? 2. Now which one is greater? 5 is greater. So you will fill which sign here? Greater. It means in this box you fill the sign greater. That is 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Okay. Now next B part is 2 by 4 and 3 by 6. So again you multiply 2 6 ja 12 and 4 3 ja again 12. So these are equal. It means you will find till here that is equal. Clear?
Yes, sir.
After that next part number C. C is given that 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Which one is? So 3 3 is a 9 and 5 2 is a 10. Which one is greater? 10. It means this sign you will fill here, that is 9 is less than 10. So here you will fill the sign less. After that 3 8 ja 24 and 4 2 ja 8. Which one is greater? Out of 24 and 24 is greater, it means you will fill this sign. So you will fill here in the boxes also this sign. After the last question, here you see 3 5s are 15 and 5 6 are 30. Okay, very nice. Which one is greater? 30. It means you will fill out of which one side? Very less. 15 is less than 30, so you will fill here less than sign in this box. So this is the question. Friends, see here, this is the question number 6. Group of equivalent fractions is required out of these given fractions. After changing the simplest form, you make the groups of equivalent fractions of 3 fractions. So how can you make the groups of equivalent fraction? So first fraction is 2 by 12. Here you will convert this fraction into the simplest form by dividing numerator and denominator by a single table. Okay, that is common table. So here 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja 12. Okay, again B यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो 3 1 जा 3 बन जा रहा है तो यहाँ पे 1 लिखेंगे and 3 5 जा 15. मीन्स इसे आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 3 5 जा यहाँ भी 1 और 6 तो ये 1 by 6 इधर 1 by 5. Very nice. Now 8 by 15. So this is cancelled by only the table number 2. 2 4 ja 8 and this is 25. Okay, so this is 4 by 25, correct? And this is 16 by 100 and this is cancelled by only the table number 4. 4 4 ja 16 and 4 2 ja 8 and here is remaining 220. So dear 4 5s are 20, means it is 4 by 25. And now 0 0 is cancelled out here. So you will get 1 by 6. And now you know the table number of 15. That is 15 1 ja 15 and 15 5 ja 75. 1 ja and 5 ja means you will get it 1 by 5. Okay, very nice. Now this is 12 1 ja 12 and 12 5 ja
16
means 1 by 5. And now 16 1 ja 16 and 16 6 ja 96. You know that 16 6 ja 90 means this is 1 by 6. And after that again here you will cancel this table by only 3. 3 4 ja 12. Okay, and this is 3 1 ja 3 and 2 is 4 is remaining. Okay, here you say 3 से cancel करेंगे. 3 2 जा 6, 1 is remaining 15 and 3 5 are made, that is 4 by 25. And you know that the table number 12 directly 12 1 ja 12 and 12 6 ja, yes, this is 1 by 6. And here you can once again 3 1 ja 3 3 6 ja, that is 1 by 6. And this is you cannot cancel by any table. So this is same to same, that is 4 by 25. Yeah. Here you observe that this is 1 by 6 and this is also 1 by 6 and another 1 by 6 here you will get. So you can write this, only you make the pair of 3 3. Okay, question says that make the pair of 3 इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन, यही तो बोला है ना. तो देखिए यहाँ पे ग्रुप आपका बनेगा A A. Okay, otherwise you can write I without A, that is 2 by 12 and another 1 by 6 is where this one, that is 10 by 60 comma 10 by 60. And now another 1 by 6 is where? So here you can see that this is 16 by 96. So you will write this is 16 by 96. And after that you will see this is 12 by, okay, so 12 by 72. This is also a equivalent fraction, that is 12 by 72. And the last one is 3 by 18. This is the next one, equivalent fraction. You can write this is the pair. Okay.
Yes.
After that you observe 1 by 5. This is the 1 by 5. So you will 1 by 5 where you will come to, this is 3 by 15. So next pair is 3 by 15 and after that 1 by 5 is this one. So you, this F part is 15 by 75. 15 by 75, this is the next, and 1 by 5 is just here, so you can write this is 12 by 60. Okay, very nice. And after that anywhere 1 by 5, no anywhere. After that you can take another fraction, that is 4 by 25. So 4 by 25 you will get from the C, that is 8 by 15. And after that, very nice, 16 by 100. And after that 4 by 16, where this is 12 by 75. So this is the next equivalent fraction. And after that 4 by 25, this is also equivalent fraction. Now any another fraction is remaining here? No. So this is the pair of equivalent fractions. After you convert the fractions into the simplest form, then you will observe which fractions are equal. That are the equivalent fractions. Okay.